Studies have shown that people who are going through mental health issues, their lifespan is getting shorter by 15 years. Hi guys, I'm Neha Fateh Chandani, and in this video I want to talk about a subject that is very important in these times, and that is what exactly is mental health affecting you and how you can take care of it every single day. Okay, so let me tell you very basic definition of mental health. Okay, mental health is you taking care of your mind in a very simple way, right? You taking care of your attention, you taking care of your focus. Now, or better to say, you taking care of your emotions. Okay, now what is this mental health issues? And everybody's talking about take care of your mental health. What exactly it is? In a very simple definition, if negative emotions every day that you're experiencing is more than the positive emotions, then there is something that you need to fix. Okay, so what are the negative emotions? Like stress, anxiety, or depression. These are some of the states, these are the negative states. So if you're experiencing this more every day rather than positive states such as joy, happiness, confidence, then this is something that you really need to fix. And sharing about me and sharing from my own life journey, I remember that in 2015 I went through I went through mental health challenges. So in 2015 I still remember I was jobless, and I went through bad relationship breakdown, and because of that I lost my confidence, I lost my self-esteem. I was completely broke emotionally and financially. I was so lost that I was not able to concentrate on the work I'm doing. I was physically present, but I was mentally somewhere else. I was constantly thinking about the relationship that did not work out and why did this happen to me and to my life. I was so stressed, I was so depressed that I was sitting with one of my best friends at CCD, and I literally told her that what, I don't feel there's any reason for me to live, and I was really considering to end my life. And that's when she said me something that completely changed the way I look at the complete situation. So rather than telling me, oh my god Neha, why you're saying this, why you're saying that, she said me something that just changed my life. And she said that what will happen if you die? And I was like, well, nothing much. This is the brutal fact of life, right guys? Nothing much. So she said, if you want to die, why don't you die by doing something great with your life, and something you always had this zeal, I want to do something, I want to do, why don't you do now something? And I said, yeah, now I don't have anything else to lose in my life, so I want to do something with my life. And number two, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I just want to do something so that I can uplift a lot of people in my life. That, and after that, guys, I got into training and development. So this is what it can do to you. It can completely, if it can affect your physical health, it can affect your relationships, it can affect your productivity, it can affect your focus, your ability to do something. It just, everything is like blur. Okay, hence it is very important, guys, that we take care of our mental health in these times. And right now with the COVID situation that is going on, I get a lot of questions on how we can protect ourselves from so much of negativity around, and how we can protect our mental health, and share with you guys some of the very important hacks that you can apply every day in order to take care of your mental health. Now always remember, guys, there is nothing happens at default. Okay, let's say if you want to see that anybody is physically fit or not, what you do is you see them, right? I see people, and I know who are doing exercise, who are not doing exercise, right? So you have to move your body, you have to do, you have to exercise if you really want to be fit, from your body. If you're not doing anything about it, and if you're just eating, and if you're eating, then obviously you will go through challenges like obesity problems and other problems you will encounter, right? Same is with mental health. If you're not taking care of it on day-to-day basis, then you will experience a lot of negative emotions, and these negative emotions ultimately affect your health and your mental health as well as your physical health, because both of them are connected. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do in order to build your mental muscle, or in order to be mentally fit every single day, and this is my favorite, guys, okay, and this is like in just 15 seconds you can manage any of your negative emotions, and this is my favorite tool. Okay, and this is called managing your emotion or managing your state. Okay, now see, if I talk about any of the negative emotion like anxiety, stress, depression, what is happening logically, if you will see, you are focusing on a negative emotion. You are thinking about something wrong happened in your life, and that's why you are in that state. So it means if you instantly change your focus, it's going to change your state also. So let's say all of a sudden you're thinking something that did not work out, or you're stressed, you're depressed. Now when you're stressed, you're depressed, your body is going to show that, like you will be like this, your shoulders will droop, you won't feel like talking, your face is off, right? Instantly, if you want to change, now this is just an emotion, you can change it, right? Everything is in your control. Okay, so what you can do is instantly change your physiology. Okay, so your body and your mind are interconnected. So as soon as, let's say, you're not feeling good, all of a sudden you'll feel like this, your body language is going to be negative, it's going to be compressed. All of a sudden, just change your body language. Just sit upright, start walking, start dancing, start making some moves. 15 seconds, just move like this, like this, like this, and it is going to make you feel so much better. I mean, it just takes 15 seconds to change your state. Okay, and this is how you train your mind. So I know you might be thinking, oh my god, Neha, this is not that simple, I'm just stressed, I'm thinking negative, and all of a sudden I change. Yes, you do, because that's the way. Because see, when you're thinking negative here, your body is reflecting that. So it means if you can change your body, you can change here also. It is so simple, right? And try this, guys. Anything if you do with your physiology, with your movement, anything, you all of a sudden change your state. Okay, so every day move your body. Every day, whenever you feel there's some negative thought coming, just change your body language, just to move around and just see the magic that you will experience. Okay, the second thing that I did, and that even you can do, is so after I was going through a bad phase in my life, I started learning a lot. And after I got into training and development, and then I started learning a lot. So what happens when you start learning, your mind gets new things to learn and grasp, and your entire focus and attention is to learn and build something. Okay, so let's say you want to learn something. Let's say you want to learn driving, start learning that. If you want to learn, let's say, any particular skills, let's say you want to learn sales, go and learn that. If you want to learn how to train people, go and learn that. If you want to be a motivation speaker, go and learn that. What is it, something that you really love doing, and you start building yourself on? Let's say you want to build a super profitable business, go and learn that. Okay, you want to be a millionaire, go and learn that. So what it's going to do is, all of a sudden, it's going to activate something in your brain, and you are going to feel so much better. So when I started learning, and after that I started giving back, that is, I started taking training session, I didn't even realize that I was healing myself, and all of a sudden, all these negative emotions just disappeared from my life in span of 6 months. I mean, it was almost like a miracle. I couldn't sleep. I was having sleepless night, and in 6 months, I was like living amazing life, full of joy, happiness, and I was giving so much to people that I was like, wow, this is it, that I really felt good about it. So the whole equation of being mentally fit is that most of the time in your day, most of the time, okay, you should feel good. If that is happening, you're on the right track. If that is not happening, oh my god, wait, you need to change the track. Okay, the third thing you need to do is, and that is something that's one of my favorite concept, and that is called wall and chair. So what is wall? If I try to push this wall, I won't be able to, right? But if I try to push the chair, I will be able to move it. Okay, so in life also, whenever you're going through tough experiences, tough challenges, difficult moments in your life, there are things that are in your control, and there are things that are completely out of your control. Okay, so when things are in your control, like let's say whatever is happening to us is not in our control, like this COVID situation or any tough situation, say, right? So even before COVID, guys, I was like, because of relationship breakdown, I went through this challenge. So if it is not COVID, there's something else that can disturb you in your life. Okay, what is happening in your life is an event, it is not in your control, but how you're going to respond to that event is completely in your control. Okay, your reaction is in your hand. Okay, so if you choose your responses well, if you just take a moment and just see, is it in my control? It's not in my control. Okay, it's not in my control. Okay, fine, let me see how best I can respond. If you just tell your brain this, you will start getting those kind of answers. That's the magic of brain. You give brain right question, and it will give you right answer, right? So use the power of your brain more often. Okay, and the last thing I want to tell you is the power of focus. See, there's a beautiful universe law that I learned from my mentor, and that says Wherever you put your focus on, you put your attention to, that's what you get in your life. Okay, so when you are in that negative state, anxiety, stress, depression, it means you are focusing a lot on negativity. Okay, so let's say there is a cupboard, okay, in my cupboard, and there is a lot of clothes that I'm not wearing and still it is there, so it is occupying space. Okay, now what I have to do is, first I have to take out those clothes, I have to clear out that space, and after that I can put new clothes. Okay, so that's what the positivity and the negativity does. If there is a lot of negativity in your mind, first you have to throw that negativity out of your life, then you have to install positive habits in your life. Okay, now how do you do that? Well, very simple. When you start focusing on what is right in your life, what is good in your life, rather than focusing what is not good in your life, you instantly attract a lot of positivity. So accept the situation, accept the people as they are, stop judging it, stop thinking this should have happened, that should have happened. No, whatever it is. So this is a beautiful spiritual principle also. Whatever you have in your life, it is the best. Just accept it gracefully. Good, bad, ugly. Just accept it. Learn from it and then move forward. Stop banging your head, comparing your life to somebody else. Stop judging people. Stop thinking this should have happened, that should have happened. And if you can live in this way, guys, you're going to experience a lot of freedom in your life. Okay, so I hope guys this video has helped you. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, I run online academy for entrepreneurs, business owners and freelancers, and if you're somebody who would like to learn more from me, you can block your personal 30-minute session with me, or you can also be part of my academy. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.